Hey guys, today I'm showing you the motif I designed for this floral handbag. If you're interested in a full tutorial on how to assemble the complete bag, let me know in the comments and I'll make one. We'll start with our contrast color for the center, make a magic circle and work 20 single crochets directly into the ring. Once you have completed the 20 single crochets, slip stitch into the first single crochet to join. This completes round 1. Then pull the ring tight. For round 2, chain 1, then work another round of 20 single crochets into the magic circle to build up that raised dimensional center. Once you've completed that, slip stitch again into the first single crochet to finish, snip your yarn and pull it through. Now attach your main color. Chain 4. We're going to work bullion stitches to create the petals. For this, wrap your yarn 10 times, preferably in the same direction as I'm showing here, that is, wrapping the yarn while going away from yourself. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and carefully draw the hook through all the wraps. Make sure you do this very slowly and very carefully. After the loop is pulled out, check to ensure all the wraps are sitting neatly. Then chain 2 and repeat the bullion stitch into the next stitch. Make one bullion stitch in all the 20 stitches all the way around before slip stitching into the first bullion stitch to close. To give the petals their scalloped shape in round 4, work a sequence of single, half double, double, half double again and ending with single crochet into each chain 2 space. And that's your finished motif. Don't forget to drop a comment if you want the full bag assembly video and subscribe for more designs. Thank you for watching.